a lively crowd. I'm Jason Lopatecki, CEO of Arise AI. We're Datadog for ML and AI. So Datadog for like AI engineers and data scientists. Second time founder, built a company from garage to IPO prior. And the reason I went into this area is I was the founder who built our data science and ML organization, and this was the software I wanted for my team. So what do? We build software that helps you surface problems automatically when you deploy AI to production. The customers include probably half of the top ML teams in the world. So you think you like Instacart, the Etsy's of the world, the Spotify's of the world, all standardized on our platform. We help resolve issues, and then we help you iterate on your data, improve. So as an ML and AI observability platform, we're absolutely the market leader here. And today I'm going to tell you about a new product that goes in our current solution. As you look at the LLM emerging tool chains, this is how I see the ecosystem right now, which is a set of vendors who are building LLMs and tool sets there. There's orchestration sets, the frameworks, which are the LangChains of the world or Llama Index. And really, we exist because Twitter demos are easy and production's hard. So we help you make that Twitter demo work when you put it into the real world. What we do is we have integrations obviously with the Llama Index and LangChain. We collect basically LLM data as it's making decisions as you put it into production. And typically today, the way you troubleshoot is you manually filter. You have these manual steps to troubleshoot data issues. What we're launching today is an Observe Copilot. So what this does is we today support all types of models. LLM has been in there actually for months now. We're one of the leaders in actually LLM observability. Today, there's in the software and the platform, there's image models, there's NLP models, and the way you troubleshoot is you might manually zoom into something. You might search through data, add comparison models. But today, there's a different way. There's AI. So you have an integration with OpenAI where you drop your key into the platform. So you drop your OpenAI key. The data is relative to your OpenAI account. And now you have a Copilot to help you troubleshoot AI. AI to troubleshoot AI, I promise you, is where the future is going. So here's an example with an LLM model, prompts, responses, and user feedback. So this is a chat bot that's live in production. What we're doing is we're troubleshooting really the prompt and responses and the poor user feedback in this example. So let me just jump into one of these. There's examples of what the prompt was, what the response was, what the responses from your vector database were. All these are pretty standard things to track and what every LLM observability platform should have. But when I zoom into a group of problem responses, like negative responses in this group, it's about Arise pricing, Arise cost. It's because we don't have pricing in the docs. It's kind of the reason we don't have this. But maybe I want to not just dig in manually, but I want to debug this data with AI. So I can select GPT-4 in this case. I can ask questions. What happens here is we send the data over to GPT-4 in your account. We summarize it. We give an idea what this thing you're troubleshooting is. In this example here, it's telling me that this is all about pricing problems, pricing issues. Here I'm asking about, did the responses answer the prompts? The answer is no, it didn't. It's missing pricing data. Well, let me go ask and reference the context fields so you can actually reference the fields that are in your data that you're troubleshooting. So, hey, recommend what I should add. Well, it's recommending I should add pricing to my context. This is real data, real app chatbot from our docs. And it's recommending that we put pricing into the context, and we currently don't have pricing in the docs, and we don't have pricing in the context. Another example is if I'm trying to troubleshoot prompts or templates, I can again reference my prompts or templates. I can ask questions about it. And some of the best ways to really troubleshoot AI is ask for AI to give you a better prompt back. This example is I'm getting English responses for Spanish questions, and it recommends the change in my prompt. So again, the data, it's about like Copilot's about like connecting the data that you have that's magical, the data we have more AI and ML data than anyone in the world in terms of our platform. And then how do I use that data to help troubleshoot it? And then the future of analytical analysis, really, these chat interfaces are pretty good for that. Like I really do believe it if you've used code interpreter. Here I can ask questions about the data itself. So that's it. Arise AI, Datadog for ML AI.